Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet slippers from a square, and I'm using worsted weight yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. So let's get started. To make these easy slippers, you're going to start out with a square, and you can use any stitch pattern that you like. I'm going to use this today, the pebble stitch. And you're going to start with a slip knot, and I'm leaving a long yarn end to help with sewing at the end. So I'm going to start with a foundation chain, and here are the number of stitches you will need for each size. Okay, after you have your foundation chain, you're going to start with a single crochet in the second stitch from the hook, 1, 2. So start with a single crochet, and then a double crochet in the next stitch. I'm working the pebble stitch, which is an alternate of single and double crochets. So single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet. So repeat all the way across the chain. Okay, I worked all the way across the chain, and I ended with a double crochet. So now I'm going to turn my work, and I'm going to chain 1, and that was a double crochet, so I need a single crochet in that stitch. And now I need a double crochet because the pebble stitch is the opposite of what was worked on the previous row. This was a single crochet, so now I'm going to work a double crochet into that stitch, and then I'm going to work a single crochet in the next stitch, which is a double. And I'm going to repeat that across the row. Double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet. And you're going to repeat that all the way across. Okay, I worked all the way across the row, and again, I ended with a double crochet. So turn my work, make a single crochet because that was a double crochet that we ended with. And a double crochet in the next stitch. Single crochet, double crochet. So you're going to continue to do that until you have worked a square. The following are the number of rows that you need for each size. Okay, so once you have your square finished, thread the yarn end into a yarn needle and then fold the work in thirds like that. I'm just holding on to that. Now take a stitch here to attach this together, like that. Now weave all through these stitches and pull together up and close that, and then just take an additional stitch to secure that. And now you're going to bring this over as far as it will go. And then I'm just going to sew through here. Like that. Sew on a button. And then you're going to fold this up so that you've got a little bit more than 1/2 of the distance to the back of the slipper sewn up. And take several stitches here just to secure that. And weave the yarn end into the finished work. And then sew up the heel end as well. And there you'll have some easy crochet slippers made from a square. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.